What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Haven't done sort of a Raptor specific video in a minute, so I figured I just would give you guys sort of like a 25,000 mile recap of the Raptor. Last I did a Raptor centric video was in Johnson Valley, California when I got the truck. Now we're out here in Swing Arm City, Utah. Super rad place to come out here and capture some content and just rip around in the truck. And that's what we're gonna do today. So we came out here yesterday to shoot some content, and I just wanted to share some just real world, feedback from me to you guys. If you're looking to buy a Raptor or maybe you have one, just kind of comparing things. So let's jump into it. So to kind of start things off, I think all car guys, the first thing we like to do is to modify things and make it our own. And I figured I would jump kind of right into that. A couple things that I've done to the truck. The truck is nearly stock. I haven't done a whole bunch to it, but I have done a few things to sort of tailor it to my needs. And we'll start up here at the front. I did a set of Baja Designs XL80s on the the hood basically for like a ditch light, which those things throw a ton of light. I actually had the Baja Designs linkable light bar on the front bumper, but if you watch the Baja video, it was stolen out there, and it's not currently on the truck. The brackets are still there, the wiring is still there, but the light bar is gone. Shout out to Baja Designs. They did send me another light bar. It's at the shop. I just haven't had time to put it on, but that will go back on the front. The front, it has factory Rigid Industries fog lights in the bumper. I just put a couple amber covers on those to give me some ambers down low, which seem to help really well in the fog. Another thing that I think is really important is tires. So, obviously this is a Raptor R. It comes standard with a 37 1250 17 and a BF Goodrich. BFG makes a great tire. I mean, I'm not gonna knock that. Personally, I think that they look a little small and undersized, and I actually blew one of them in Baja, and I just feel like they didn't hold up to the standard of durability that I needed them to hold up to. So I've been working with Nitto, so shout out to Nitto. They sent me a set of set of Ridge grapplers, 37 1250 17. Great tire. I'm actually running this on the Raptor, my Bronco, and then my old 94 Bronco as well. So I'm running the same exact tire on 3 different vehicles at the same time. Just to give you a bit of how much I like this particular tire. Quiet on the road. We were out ripping around all day yesterday, and I did notice they are very much stickier than the BFGs were. So it was definitely a little bit more of a learning curve, kind of feeling how the truck sticks to the ground in different scenarios. So great tire. Yeah, highly recommend this tire. Coming out to the side of the truck, I have a Diamondback switchback cover on the back of it. This is all aluminum. I think you can put like 1,600 pounds on top of this thing. It's super strong. But I'm not ever gonna put it on the back of the truck. The reason I have it though is to lock up our gear. We're on the road all the time, staying at hotels and random places, and to keep things there when we come back out the next morning is really important, so we can continue to do our jobs. So having a nice secure place to lock stuff up is really nice. And then moving around to the back of the truck, same thing. When we're back here, I have I forgot who makes this. I think this is a bed rug. It's kind of like the whole bed is covered with like a padded surface. It's like an impact pad or something. It just makes it nice when you're crawling up there and your knees are on the bed of the truck and on the tailgate. It's a nice place to rest your legs basically. And also if you drop stuff in the back, or like yesterday we were jumping the truck a couple times and stuff was definitely going bed cover floor. It just sort of absorbs some of those impacts a little bit. That's kind of nice. And then really that is it on the outside of the truck. Oh, I take that back. I did install a couple of that's a Ford part number set of chase lights for people to see me in the back in the dust. So I did that. And then also on the inside of the truck, we'll come back over here. I did a dash mount from Built Right Industries to hold my phone. So that's pretty cool. And again, that is it. The truck is nearly stock. The cool thing about the Raptor is they are highly, highly capable trucks. And you don't have to do a whole lot to these things out of the box. They're just so good. I mean, the wheels that come on these things are forged beadlock capable wheels. I know you could change things to just make it look differently, but as far as capability, it's been really, really good. And I forgot to tell you guys, the most important modification I've done to the truck is my wife actually got me the modification. If you look on my rearview mirror, there's an air freshener. It's got my daughter's face on it. That's the best modification I've done in the truck in its entire package. So yeah, that's my favorite thing so far. Now, cosmetics, right? Cosmetics and horsepower, they go hand in hand. So when I was down in Baja, all of the Ford chase trucks all have a Ford Performance sticker on the front door here. So not only does this look cool, you know, this adds 5 horsepower for the Ford and another 5 for the Performance. Actually, the Performance is 8 horsepower. So, you know, we've added almost 12 horsepower here by adding this decal, and that's per side. So if you add that up,
that's kind of like 24, 25 extra horsepower by just adding these decals. So
something to consider if you're looking to make a modification to your Raptor. This is something I highly recommend. All right, now we've jumped inside the cab of the Raptor, and you know, we're cruising around here at Swing Arm City. We'll talk about sort of the in-cab experience the last 25,000 miles. And again, I haven't been easy on this truck. I mean, when it had 800 miles on it when I first got it, I mean, I was jumping at 30 feet in the air. We went to Baja and chased the Nora 1000 with it, and several times I was out there running 112, which is what this truck tops out at, just so you guys know. That's not because the truck can't go faster, it's because the tires aren't rated to go any faster than that, so that's why it stops. A little fun fact. Anyway, you know, the Raptor R, obviously it's got everything in the world on it. It's got the active Fox suspension, and it is plush. You know, it's got 25,364 miles of me just continuously beating on the truck, and it feels as good as it did the day I drove it off the lot, basically. And granted, 25,000 miles isn't a whole lot of miles, but they're hard miles. And yeah, it's this truck just always is fun. Super capable truck, you know, and we're gonna get back on the highway this afternoon and drive. That's another thing. We drove 22 hours to come out here and rip around on it. So again, this truck just gives me a ton of confidence that I can drive literally across the country, come out to an interstellar landscape, just absolutely go full send on the truck, get back on the pavement, and drive all the way back home as if we never left asphalt. Which is just, it's really nice to have that like peace of mind that you can take your toy, go have fun, and get back home and not have any issues. Obviously, you can oversend and break stuff, but you know, within reason, the truck is going to do what you need to do and get back on the road. This truck is so good. But you know, like we're just cruising around, and you know what? Let's get some air. What do you think? Where's that jump at? I mean, like, come on! How do you not just? I could say some other thing. How do you not just love that, right? Jesus Christ, it's amazing. Yeah, so you could say it's
excited.
Very excited. You know, it's funny because like I think a lot of people, I start to get overly excited, and then I get like really confident, which is a very dangerous thing. So having a camera guy here to slow down, catch and take my composure back in, so that way I don't, you know, go 1,000 full send and we can't drive home. So, but long story short, it's just, again, we just ripped around. Yesterday we watched dirt bikes ripping this all day long, and we're hitting it in our daily driver pickup truck. So. All right, guys, that's going to be into this video. Hopefully you enjoyed a little quick first-hand experience after 25,000 miles in my 2024 Ford Raptor R, giving you guys as much information as possible while trying to keep it short and concise. Again, I do use this truck to the best of my abilities, to the max of its capability. You know, so I've had people ask me if I bought the truck, would I treat it the same? 100% yes, without a doubt. So yeah, if you have any questions about the Raptor specifically, or, you know, whatever, if you can think of things, or if you own a Raptor, maybe considering buying one, whatever. I've had this for a while now. I've driven all over the country. Drop it in the comments below. Ask me whatever you want to ask me. I'll be happy to answer anything you have. If you like the video, like the video. Subscribe, stick around. More cool, fun adventures coming soon.